Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today we're checking out a unit sent in by Scott in Katy, Texas. This is out of a 1981 Chevy Silverado pickup. Customer has requested the modern internal conversion with Bluetooth. And so we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to FM at the moment. Let's turn it on.
I'm just oh, know this.
I'm just going to run through all the presets real quick.
We're under the age of 40.
Will happen sooner than later when that.
Okay, we'll switch over to AM. And there's our strong AM station. Go back to FM. And we got to keep our... Got to make sure we don't get copyrighted material here. Try to find something. Try to find some talk radio. Alrighty, virtual fader.
Fader adjust.
Okay, gonna switch to our output level meters. Oops.
Fader set.
Had to activate that again. Okay, I'm gonna activate the fader again.
Recorded by the John D. and Catherine Team of Fader adjust.
Okay, and now
Now
the same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. This is our tone control doing all this. Okay, center the speakers, let it time out. Fader set. Okay, now we're going to adjust our left-right balance. Same procedure, except we turn this tone control twice to the left. Okay, so now the same control is adjusting your left-right speaker balance. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to let that time out. Balance set. Okay, I'm going to make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We do that by turning our volume control twice to the right.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. And as you know by now, I don't do all that on the video. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode. That way I know it works. Last thing to check is the 8-track. And
in Arizona alone,
now each radio is a little bit different. And on this model, I had to turn the 8-track output way up to get everything to work correctly. So on this radio, you want to turn the volume control pretty far down before you stick a tape in there. Otherwise, it might blow you out. Okay, so let's pop a tape in. Okay. Change tracks a bunch of times. Okay, we got a little eject button here. We just press that lightly and pop the tape out, and the radio comes back. So that takes care of all the stuff. Let's make sure the dial light comes on. You can just see it right through here, turning on and off in response to my commands when you're connected to the dash lighting circuit. So that concludes the test. Everything's working. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and my website is in the description below. You can reach me at 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Scott, for your business, and we'll see you guys next time.